caught in the crossfire. It's caught in the
So Joshua got this big
ass truck, man.
this big old truck.
For YouTube, right?
Yeah, he trying to drop
man.
this big.
Get at me, man. Y'all need to come subscribe to me, man. Lincoln_777, man.
Oh my God, I gotta.
Hey, I
didn't know it was gonna be this. He said it's a dually, bro. Oh my God, man, this thing's huge. I ain't got no room for this. I mean, look how wide this thing is right here, bro. Oh my Lord. Oh my God. Hey everyone, man, this is Eric back again with All Replay, man. And man, I met this guy Joshua, and he brought his F-250 truck. Like, he told me it's F-250, right? Which I figured it was gonna be a regular F-250, older, 1992, right? And basically, we met through the neighbor app, and he was going to, you know, just basically just park it up here for like 2 months. And then he said that, you know, something happened with the fuel system. It is a diesel, and that one of the tanks like had a little rust in it, and some rust got in like the injection pump of the actual diesel engine, right? So you know, we're talking cars, everything like that. I'm gonna show him in a minute. And I did not realize how big this freaking truck is, man. Oh my God. Hold on.
What you want me to say?
Man, say whatever you want to say about the truck, man. When you got this truck, and how did it run?
Man, I got this truck in 2015, man.
Oh, okay. So you had it a while.
I've been had it for a while, man. I ain't gonna lie. I've been had it running, not having run. It seemed like it's been running less than it's been running, man.
Oh, okay. So we got to get it right then.
Got to get it right, man.
Okay, I got you.
Got to do it from the front to the back. You know what I'm saying? Really, I need to replace my fuel system in it right now. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I believe that's like my biggest issue is the fuel system. You know, but
okay. So the main thing is, if we get this injector pump, that'll get it running, right?
yes.
Okay. What about the tank? Is the tank?
The fuel tanks. See, I need to get me some new fuel tanks too. But
Is one good enough to get it going? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay, so if we get the injector pump, put some diesel in it, we prime it and everything like that, we'll be good to go. Get you running back on the road, and then after that, you could get maintained, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I'm trying. Okay, we try to get to the point, we get you back on the road, get you working, and when you get it running, what kind of work can you do with it?
I can do some everything where I can pull motors with it. You know what I'm
Okay,
saying? All
okay.
type of stuff. Like really right now, I really want to use it for auto detailing. That's what I do right now. I do
okay.
mobile detailing. You see what I'm saying? So instead of customers coming to me, I go to the customer. You see what I'm saying? Like a house service.
Yes.
Pretty much. I pull up on you wherever you at, detail your car, pay my cash, and you know what I'm saying? See you next time.
Okay, so what are you using now with your mobile detailing?
I'm using my car right now.
Oh, okay,
yeah, I'm using my car right now,
so it'd be better to have your truck because you have more space, so you can do more mechanic work with it too.
Exactly, yeah.
I got you.
Too, yeah. I do a little mechanic work. I do a lot. Mainly everything that's been done to the truck, I've done it myself. You know what I'm saying? So
you pretty handy then, man. That's what's up, man.
Pretty much.
Yeah. I wish I would have seen the picture. I was like, it always bites me. And I was like, dude, I should ask for a picture of this thing.
And I took a picture yesterday, showed it to you, man.
Yeah, I was like, nah.
Started talking, I was like,
yeah, we were just
it
rapping.
slipped my mind, you know what I'm saying? We're talking about other cars and things of that sort.
Yeah, we're talking about going to a car meet. They got 2 car meets here in Tallahassee, man. So
second Saturday and the third Saturday of each month.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna be looking forward to that.
What is it? Southwood Car Show or car meet, and then we have the Glory Days car meet. The Glory Days is the one that you want to be to.
Okay, that's the second one, right? That's the one later. Yeah, that's the one northeast side of town.
Yeah,
Water Ridge Fork. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, because hopefully, man, I can get my 350Z from my buddy, man.
Gizmo.
Yeah, I'm trying to. I'm gonna go see if I can get that within like another week or two from Tampa, man. I'm gonna bring it back up here, and then I'll show you, man. And I'm gonna take it up to the meet and everything like that. You know what I mean? Because I ain't.
A lot of cool people there.
Yeah, I ain't had a fast car, like a real fast, nice car in a while. So you know what I'm saying? So
I've never had a fast car.
Man, you know how to drive a stick?
Nope.
Oh, okay. Yeah, because it's a 6-speed. Yeah, it's a stick. So.
Hey, 6-speed is that's the best on a stick shift, man.
Oh yeah,
that's where the speed is at.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So yeah, I could drive. It's been a few years, but I'll get back at it. You know what I mean?
Got it.
Oh yeah, that's for sure.
You still got it. Yeah, man. Anyway, if you guys want to check me out, man, come check my channel out. It's Blinka BLINKA_777 official. I do some car content, but mainly I do like gaming content right now.
Right.
But as far as my IG, That's where all my car stuff is at. That's Blinker_777 official. Got all my car content on there. So yeah, check me out.
Yeah. I took a look real quick, man, today, and I seen what you got on there, you know.
Yeah.
And I thought, like, I seen one video. I was like, you know, you probably be really good at making like intros, also, like for people that have car channels. You know what I'm saying? Because I was checking out one. I was like, dude, that'd be real cool, like as an introduction. You know what I'm saying? Have people have to their channel, and you can just like sell that. You know what I mean? But I will put a link download with all my subscribers, man, so they can take a look at your channel and everything like that, and we go from there.
I appreciate that, man, so much.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Yeah.
So, got anything else?
That's it, man. Y'all stay safe out there, man. Have fun.
No, that's right.
Somebody.
Okay. Hey, everyone, I had to come in. I threw down on some fish. That one got a little burnt. That's just straight out the can. And then my daughter over here cooking some noodles. What do you say? You like noodles? Oh yeah, she like it. She's sprinkling. Yeah, we got the paramedics down here. There's always something going on. So anyway, that neighbor rental definitely is a failure right now, because that truck was way too big to get on my driveway, and there's no way for me to move the purple monster that's down there without, you know, 4 guys like pushing it and moving out of the way. I'm not trying to do all that, so I may look at getting it towed or something like that. And first I'm thinking I'm just gonna go ahead and see if I can help him find the injector pump, man. And if you get that on there, slap it on, boom, he gets driving and don't even have to worry about storage and whatnot. So I'm gonna cross-reference some part numbers and go from there. But I do appreciate y'all checking out the video. Please subscribe. I have a lot of people that are watching the videos, but they're not subscribed. So please subscribe. There's a link at the end of the video, and there's a link down in the description, because once we get enough subscribers, man, I'm almost to the 1,000 where I can get monetized, and then the sky's the limit from there. So, you know, basically that's the whole point, is to bring some good content to the channel, and you know, just what's going on and whatnot, and we'll go from there. So, you know, we'll see what's up with these car meets, man, and kind of go from there. The one that's in Southwood, I think he says coming up in like another week or something like that. So, you know, I may see about going out there. That would be this Saturday. That's coming up in like another 6 days from now. Today is Sunday, and then we'll go from there, man. So appreciate it.